Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about fabric finishes for enhancing appearance in clothing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Fabric finishes for enhancing appearance. Finishes are applied to enhance the performance of a fabric. There are finishes applied to fabrics to enhance the look and feel of the fabric. Once a fabric has been produced, it often goes through a finishing process to improve its appearance and/or properties. The main types of finishes are as follows. Physical, where a machine or tools is used to change the fabric. Chemical, where chemicals are used to change the fabric. Biological, where bacteria and enzymes are used on cellulose-based, plant-based fibers. Coated, where the fabric is coated on one side with a substance such as Teflon to repel staining. Why is the fabric finish required? Finishes have been developed to improve the fabric in many ways such as enhance appearance, color pattern sheen, change texture, embossing, brushing, smoothing, improve feel, softer, crispier, firmer, improve drape, weighted, modify wearing quality, crease resistance, stain resistance, flammability, waterproof, etc. Modify care requirements, easy wash, quicker drying times, color fast, less shrinkage. Finish processes and properties. Softening finish. Fabric softening is generally done together with desizing. Desize means to destarch and pre-shrinking. When destarching is done, softener is added to make the fabric soft and smooth. This process is indispensable for the fabric to be used to make garments without pre-washing. Whenever too much softener is used to finish the fabric, the stability of the color may be weakened, resulting in lower color clocking standards. Brushing and sanding finish. In many cases, we may finish the fabric by brushing or sanding to give them smooth velvet-like or suede-like surface. The difference between brushing and sanding is brushing, the hair is long and the fabric is fluffy. Sanding, short hair, feels like suede. For better results, we should handle brushing in the following manner. For solid color fabrics, we should brush first and then dye and brush them one more time. If we dye them first and then brush, you will get a frosted effect with a cast of white color mixed in the solid color, because the fiber in the center of the yarn where the dye could not fully penetrate into may come to the surface to make the fabric to look frosted. For printed fabrics, we should brush first and then print because of the following reasons. If we print first and then brush, the printed area may not become as hard or fluffy as the unprinted area because the dye, particularly pigment dye, covers the fabric like a shield and keeps the fiber down. If the fabric is printed with reactive dye making the printed area almost as soft as the unprinted area, then the above phenomena may not appear. But the colored hair or fiber from the printed area may overlap the unprinted side, distorting or spoiling the printed design. If you brush first and then print, the above problem will not emerge. Mercerizing and singeing finish. Singeing and mercerizing are in many cases related and done at the same time. Singeing is passing the fabric through a flame, fire, so that the hair and nubs of the fabric are burnt off to give it a clean surface. This is commonly done on most cotton fabrics, including denim. It consists of the burning of fuzz of the fabric surface. Before singeing, the cloth is brushed to remove the loose fabric and also to remove the dust. The fabric is kept flat under tension and passed rapidly over an open gas flame. Later it is passed into water to cool down. Mercerizing means treatment by soaking the fabric into caustic soda to give a shine to it. This process is not done on denim because it will hurt the color of indigo or sulfur. However, it is mostly done on grey goods or dyeing or dyed goods which have a color fast quality. Chintz finish. Chintz finish is usually applied on TC, CVC or cotton poplin to give it a glossy finish. Sometimes we call it oil finish. This is strictly a fashion. Piece skin finish. Piece skin is a smooth finish applied to finely woven microfiber fabric. The soft, suede finish are the results of sanding or chemical treatment of the fabric. This finish allows suits and dresses to flow with movement and drape beautifully. The feel of piece skin is soft, smooth and moderately wrinkle resistant. It is a medium weight fabric that has a fussy, suede-like feel. Embossing finish. Engraved rollers create a relief pattern on the fabric. Texture and appearance change due to pattern embossed as a result. Calendering finish. Heavy rollers press the surface of the fabric. The fabric is smoother and has improved sheen as a result. Pressing finish. Presses smooth the surface of the fabric. There are improved handle and a smoother surface. Pressing is often used on wool fabrics. Shrinkage finish. The fabric is steamed and placed over a vibrating conveyor belt. This reduces further shrinkage later in use and care. Water repellent finish. Silicone is sprayed onto the fabric surface. Droplets of water remain on the surface. Air can pass through. This is not waterproofing and fabric will let water through if saturated. Stain resistant finish. Stain resistant resins are applied to the surface of the fabric. Dirt is prevented from clinging to the surface as a result. Shrink resistant finish. Fiber scales found on wool are removed with chlorine or resins. Block scales. Shrinkage in washing is reduced as a result used in wool products. Crease resistant finish. Resins are applied to the fabric. Fabrics become crispier but creaseless as a result. Flame resistant finish. Chemicals are applied to yarn or fabric. This prevents fabric from easily igniting. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.